TIGLIC Modular full-link tech support. Enables fast connection and wiring swap. Standard modules match mainstream consumer electronics ports. Pick modules per DUT interfaces. Assemble solutions via 3D library calls. All-in-one mounting supported. Standard male-female structure, solder-free direct harness link. Greatly speeds up wiring replacement. To accurately connect test items. Built-in guide angles and adaptive floating. Counteract Z-axis offsets. Linear slides absorb Z-axis deviations. Full misalignment comes with buffer safeguard. Equipment side modular assemblies. Fit low-volume mixed variety products. Wiring swap requires no equipment tuning. Simple and efficient. Pole and single modules float freely. To remove position errors. From test pieces to test machines. All ports plug in together at once. Our full-link test connection tech reduces your costs and lifts competitiveness.